The xMatters mobile app is the easiest way to receive notifications and stay connected on the go. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the xMatters mobile app on iOS devices. So let's get started. To install the xMatters mobile app on your iOS device, start by visiting the App Store and searching for xMatters. Tap on the xMatters app and install. After the app is installed, open it and you'll see a prompt to enter xMatters host information. Your host name is your company name followed by .xmatters.com. Once you're logged onto the xMatters desktop, it's easier and faster to log in using the QR code. On your xMatters desktop, go to the My Devices page and click Add Device, Mobile App. In the mobile app, tap on Log in with QR code. Give xMatters access to the phone's camera and scan the QR code displayed. And that's it, you're ready to go. You're now ready to use xMatters from anywhere. To try the mobile app yourself, sign up for xMatters free at xmatters.com/free. If you have any questions or suggestions, please let us know in the comments. Hit the like button if you found the video helpful, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more content.